How to use Windsurf in Android Studio 2025. Follow these instructions. Go to the Windsurf site and download the Android version to your computer to start using it in your project. Open Android Studio and launch the app project, where you want to use Windsurf tools and features. Follow the Windsurf setup guide to add it to your project easily. Just a few simple steps are needed. Allow all needed permissions in your app so Windsurf can run safely and do its job properly. Turn on Windsurf from your app's starting point so it works when your app is opened by users. Use Windsurf to track app use, send updates, or get user feedback, all from one tool. Run your app and check if Windsurf is working fine. Look for signs it's tracking or responding. Test your app to see if Windsurf is active. Watch for updates, messages, or other working signs. Thank you for watching.